If you were blind, how would you ask for a toothbrush? If you were blind, how would you ask for something to eat? Okay, if you were blind, how would you ask for a pencil? If you were blind, how would you ask for something to drink?
What?
You're blind.
Yeah. I'm just going based off of what you're saying.
If you're blind, how would you ask someone for something to eat? Okay, what about if you need a pen or a pencil? If you were blind, do you need that? What are you laughing at?
Well, I can do the other things except for the pencil, right?
What? If you were blind,
Right.
you're not deaf. You can still talk. Oh.